Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So we are opening up my Boxycharm Premium for November. Quick want to say thank you to everyone who voted in my poll last night. At the time, the other video that I posted last night was winning. I haven't checked today, but yeah, I appreciate it and I hope you understand my update. So if you did not see that, I asked you guys a poll what I should open last night, and then I told you that I am going to start continuing to review the products from the month prior at the end of my beauty videos, starting in December, just to be consistent throughout all of my unboxings this month, because I already opened like all my Ipsy bags and stuff like that, etc. So yeah, thanks again. And if you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That means so much to me. And if you guys have not yet entered, I have my 11,000 subscriber giveaway going on as a big thank you for all of your love and support. You guys are the best. Yeah, if you missed that, I will link it at the end of this video. But yeah, let's get this open. I actually was going to film this last night. I like tried all the makeup and everything. I did again today. But then I had some like technical difficulties and like stuff with the other job I do, so tried it out again and I tried to mix it up. I think I liked my look better yesterday, but I'm gonna stop rambling. So here is the card that came in it. The theme is Harvest, which makes sense for November, I guess. Still blows my mind it's November. And I received variation 5. And I put on here the weight and dimensions of my box. If you guys are still waiting on your premium and it's shipped, you can look that up. I actually never got shipping information like through email that I'm aware of, but if you go to their website, you can find it. So that's how I got this. So it's FedEx, and then it was 1.6 pounds and 11 by 10 by 4. I'll leave all that information like always down below. So let's get started. How about we start off with items I didn't use? And this is the closest one to me. Do you guys want a little sneak peek? It's all open because I tried some of the items and I took out the packing material and all that. So the first thing is by Cosmetics, and it is 2 skincare brushes. I think this is cool. I should have used these today. I didn't even think about it. But I have so many makeup brushes, but I don't think I have any skincare brushes besides the ones you use to like put on face masks. And I think we have one in this box, but it's a little different. So there's one cleansing brush and then one dual-sided silicone mask applicator, and then it even gives instructions on how to do it. So let's get this open. And I like how it comes in this bag you can repurpose, or you can store these in here, I guess, too. So yeah, I have ones like this, but not the dual functions. This side's just silicone, and then this one has a little like scrubby things, so you can exfoliate your skin a little bit. And then this is for cleansing, and it's, oh, there's something on it. Yeah, it's pretty soft, but it has like those little beads. Can you tell? I just heard Archer come in from outside. He probably hears my voice and he's gonna make an appearance, but yeah, so these are cool. I can't wait to use these. Hopefully I'll keep it up. I am really bad about using beauty tools, besides like normal makeup brushes, or makeup brushes I should say. So these are $25 and it says take cleansing to the next level. So the brush is used for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. I could use that. I've got some breakouts going on. But yeah, I think this is cool. And it says on here it's a new launch. I don't think I've ever seen that written on this. So that's cool to get a new launch. And then we got this really expensive skincare item by Grown Alchemist. And I've used one of their moisturizers before. I don't think I'm quite done. But this is their Detox Night Cream. And they have really like basic, like kind of almost medicinal looking packaging. But I don't mind that at all. I think if I remember correctly, this is $125. Yeah, and this is, I think, maybe smaller than the day cream I have. This is their Detox Night Cream. It's peptide 3 echinacea, I think I got it right this time, in reishi extract. It says this advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides. I already said. There's also hyaluronic acid and essential omega fatty acids. So it's supposed to detox and regenerate your skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in a radiant and youthful looking skin. I hope so. I'm gonna try this out and see what happens. Because I don't think I'm using like a night specific lotion right now, or moisturizer. So yeah, $125, I hope it does something. And then I think I tried everything else. So there's 4 more items to go. Should I even tell you guys the pricing? If you guys are watching this video, you guys know about Boxycharm and their prices and stuff, but the premium's $35 and you get like 6 to 8 or 6 to 7 full-size products. There was one product in here, I'm like, is that full-size? And then I couldn't remember the description. Do they say it's not? But it's worth $20, and I actually have a few of these that I've received in like the charm room or something, I think. But this is by Dose of Colors, and it's one of their single eyeshadows, and yeah, it's $20, which is ridiculous. And this is one of their Block Party shades in... The actual shade is Lock and Key, and I did use it today. I didn't use it in my look yesterday. I liked my look yesterday better, but I wanted to try this out, and I do really like this. So I put this like in the outer half of my eye, and then I put some over it too from the palette we'll talk about next. So I just think their singles are great. Like that was just a quick swatch. Like this can just be like a one and done, but I think it's really pretty. And there's a little mirror in here if you really wanted to get up in your eye and use it. I don't know, I didn't. So yeah, first, like I said, I was like, that doesn't seem like a full-size like premium item, but it actually is $20 for one shade, and I think the like price, it's high, but it does have really great quality, and I've used other shades before, and it seems to be consistent with my experience with those ones. Hi, Archer. I'm actually filming like with the sun out. I mean, it's about to set, and I was gonna move all my lighting and stuff into the other room. I was like, too lazy. So that's why I'm filming in here. I hope this sounds okay in the lighting and stuff. I brought an extra light in, so hopefully I'm working on it, guys. But let's talk about the palette. So I'm pretty sure this is what I chose. So you get to customize one item in all of your Boxycharms. And at first I thought I didn't choose because I've been forgetful lately, or just like not on social media, so I don't get the reminders. But I'm pretty sure I chose this. It's by Iamscrappybuttons. And I like this. So I don't know where the outer box is, but it feels cool, like the actual packaging, and I love this color. But this is their Unveiled Artistry palette. And there is a little mirror here, and then it has the shade names on this little thing. I'll probably toss this. I don't really care about shade names, but I just wanted to show you guys. And it's a mix between mattes and shimmers. So there's 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. When I'm done filming this, I will do swatches and show you guys. I'll probably swatch a few now, but when I first got this, I opened it and I swatched them because I like love swatching shimmers. Mattes don't really excite me, so there's like a wide range of neutral mattes, and then there's this one here that's like mauvey that goes with a lot of these shades. So I did a more mauvey look last night, and then since I used that Dose of Colors, I wanted to try it out so I can talk about the quality today. I used like the shades on this end today. So yeah, the shimmers are great, smooth and buttery, and I'll swatch a couple. But when I was using this, especially yesterday, I noticed it, the mattes are so easy to use and really blendable, and yeah, like really great. Like normally I don't even comment on matte's quality, like, or matte shadows quality, but I thought this was great, and I think it's like an expensive palette. I don't think I said the price yet. It's $50, right? Yeah, it's a $50 palette, but I think the quality is great. I honestly really like this brand. Everything I've tried. What do you guys think? Like at first I thought it was just not random. You know, sometimes we get brands like in our Ipsy a lot or something, but now we're getting it in here. But I think this is a great brand that's like coming like more mainstream. I don't know. Maybe it's just in the box world. You guys can let me know your thoughts. And then the last 2 items are lip items, and I love them. Okay, this lipstick I have on might be like my favorite shade. Like I actually don't think I have a shade exactly like this, and I have so many lipsticks. And this is by Ilia, a brand I've been really wanting to try. I know I received like the Ilia mascara in some box. Was it a Boxycharm? Or did I pass on it? Or maybe it was FabFitFun. No, yeah, it was like an option for FabFitFun. Anyways, I didn't pick that because, like, you guys know what my favorite mascara is. I'm not even gonna say it this time. You guys probably said it out loud by now. But yeah, so I passed it on. But they're clean beauty brand. I've heard like clean beauty channels on YouTube really rave about. So this is the, where is it on here? Oh, the Color Block High Pigment Lipstick, and it's $28. And I just love the color. Like, looks really. I think I just love it. I feel like I'm gonna use this all fall long, and I feel like I should buy one for my mom because this is like her shade. I'm gonna text her after this. I have to remember. I'll remember when I'm editing. Thank you, future self. And yeah, it's really hydrating. It feels so comfortable, and if you guys have been around, like I've been telling you how I've had some like irritated lips lately. I don't know what it's from. I can't figure it out. But this has been going on fine. Like when I put on liquid lipsticks, it like stings sometimes, but I just love this so much. I'll do a little swatch. Did I even show you those? I don't know. But yeah, I am so happy with this. And then the last thing I got in my box was some lip liner duos. So I used one of them today, and this is by Real Her, and this cost $25. And the formula works great, and I think one of the shades goes perfect with the lipstick I just showed you by Ilia. So they are retractable. And there you go. So I use the lighter shade there. So what are the shade names? I Am Confident and Be Yourself. I think those are the names. They always have names like that. And I think the end, yeah, they have little sharpeners at the end too. I didn't realize that till right now. So that is nice if you want like a more precise line. So this is the one I use. I'm gonna swatch them. I'll do it like right next to it. Yeah, it's like a little bit more brown in it, but same like shade. And this one seems like it's like a more brick red maybe. Let's see. Sorry, they're really close together, but I think this worked fine. So this is the second time I've used it. Again, I haven't used the like red shade, but I will. I use lip liner pretty much every day. So yeah, overall, I am really happy with Boxycharm Premium. So I think the favorite item for me would be the lipstick, but I really like that palette too. Like, cause it was just so quick to do. The mattes, like I said, easy, yeah, buildable. Oh my God, my eyes look bad though. My whole skin look up close. I've been like experimenting with wing liners, but that has nothing to do with the box, but the shadows were great again. So, I mean, I probably have similar shades to this, but I enjoy their formula and I like being able to just reach for a palette and know what I'm doing and being able to do it like quick. The single shadow, I already told you, like, yeah, I like everything. I'm curious about the cream, but this was like more makeup heavy, which I always love. And like one of the things that wasn't makeup was skincare brushes, which is unique. Like I get a million zillion boxes and I don't think I've really gotten like that type of thing before. But yeah, so I would love to know your thoughts, you guys. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm Premium if you get it. If not, what do you think of my box? What was your favorite item? Have you tried any of these items? Yeah, so thanks again for being here and opening this with me. And special thanks to my channel members. You guys are the best. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I would love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. So stay safe, stay healthy. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.